Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics that often cause crashes, hardware specs, and current drivers. Check your GPU and CPU meet requirements, free up at least 10% disk space, and install Windows updates. Once done, update GPU drivers to the latest WHQL release because driver mismatches commonly crash games. Make sure to close overlays and unnecessary background processes. They can conflict with the game's renderer. This first sweep removes the most frequent external causes and sets a clean baseline for deeper fixes. Next, you repair the game and adjust runtime libraries to resolve internal faults. Use the launcher's Verify or Repair tool to replace corrupted files. This fixes missing DLLs or broken assets. Then install or repair Visual C++ redistributables, DirectX, and NET because runtime mismatches cause mid-session crashes. If instability continues, run the game in compatibility mode or lower graphics presets. This reduces strain and isolates GPU driver problems. Make sure to test after each change so you know which step solved it. Finally, you perform a clean reinstall if crashes persist. Uninstall, remove leftover folders, then reinstall. For stubborn GPU issues, use the for a driver clean install and then reinstall the latest stable driver. Review Windows Event Viewer and the game's crash dumps to identify error modules. This tells you whether it's GPU, audio, or shader related. If nothing helps, test the game on another account or PC to rule out profile corruption. This one-step isolation often reveals the true culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.